Aspen Designs. So when we start designing a property, the very first beginning stages, first we come up with a floor plan and start to do SketchUps like this. They start out really rough, these SketchUps. We get an overlay of how it'll dimensionally play into the surrounding landscape by bringing these plans on site. Also doing 3D so that we can find within these models, where the functional obsolescence is, where the natural passageways are, where the natural traffic is, etc. So this is in the beginning stages of how it started out. We also do an overlay to see what it'll look like kind of from the road. Really rough, right? This is the very, very beginnings. This is before we even close on the property. As you can see, there's still trash in the yard and sheds and all sorts of garbage around, right? So that's the process. This was the first round, well, maybe actually second round. The first round is really rough. And then, do some SketchUps. We do our colored drawings to kind of get a feel for what's going on. Decks, your bedrooms, your common areas, and we do it in color so that we really know what's going on where. And then we start to get into our real architectural designs later on. And then, of course, our finished plan looks something like this. So finished plans, very detailed, obviously taking it all the way, livable area, calculations, door swings, your roof lines, your specific bedrooms and allocations, your measurements everywhere down to the 1/8 of an inch, your bifold doors, your accordion door systems, everything, your low voltage systems, your elevations, everything all the way through. So this is the finished product once you get all the way through the process, your details on your walls, your flooring, your roof schedules, your step downs on your outdoor patios, your windows, your door schedules, your interior door schedules, okay? And of course we have we're very good with our engineers. We prep early so that we have our engineers ready to go. As soon as we have plans, the engineer is ready to go with all of the specifics. And then there you go. And in to out, depending, since we do a lot of our drawings in-house, we are in and out usually within 2 to 4 weeks. While we're going through that process, we're also doing renderings like this, so that the finishes are almost precise, so our contractors and subcontractors can visualize exactly what it will look like when it's complete. So as you can see here, we leave no detail unrecognized, or we allocate a details or a punch list if we miss something. For instance, here in this specific area, it's carpet, not the barnwood floors, so that was a detail. Here it is the barnwood floors, it is the paneling. Did a perfect job on this. That's the entryway. So we try to render and take everything into consideration. As you can see here, even the trees that are existing are there on the lot, the patios, the different finishes, whether it's stone, mortarless stone, or it's your vertical face, or it's your horizontal facing. Okay, so every detail all the way through. This is almost a complete product here, and then it goes out for bids. As you can see, even the color on the interior and exterior of the doors is taken into consideration. So everything is noticed. This is white quartz. This is white quartz. This is the color of the cabinets that's going in. This is the barnwood. These are the accordion doors. So everything taken note and then put into a plan. Here we have our night view so that we could show literally where the lights are shining, how many of them, and if they're going to be a distraction to the neighbors. We have our landscape lighting, we have our exterior, and in some cases our interior lighting, which comes through, like here in the staircase, how it's lit up. So I hope you can understand our process. Very organic. We visit the lot. We go out, get a feel for where the views are, where the privacy is, where the busy street is, etc. So that's our process here at Aspen Designs. I hope this has been informational and informative. And if we can be of assistance, of course, don't hesitate to ask. And we'll see you on the next one.